Hi, Vanessa here. In this video, I am going to be talking about Knitter's Pride's Nova Cubics Plantina. These are interchangeable knitting needles, and they're called cubics because the needles are squared. So it comes in this clear zippered case, and the needles are here up front. There are 7 sets of needles. I'm currently using the smallest set here, and these are 4.0 millimeters. So they come with 4.0, 4.5, 5, 5.5, 6, 6.5, and 8 millimeter. In addition, it also comes with 4 cords and 1 set of cord connectors and 8 end caps and 4 cord keys. So these are the different size cords. These are the cord connectors, which means you can connect more than 1 cord together so that you can have a longer cord for larger projects. Okay, so let me show you what the needles look like. Okay, see they're in a cube shape. I've always wanted to try these when I started knitting, but I was a little intimidated because they're not round, and I thought that because they were not round, it would be harder to use. But I actually really enjoy working with these. Okay, so I haven't used the larger ones, and I thought that these would be hard to use just because they were in a cube shape, but I found that working with these little smaller weight yarn that it actually works to my advantage because it's not round. The stitches don't hug the needles perfectly, so there's spaces in between. But I find that it was easier for me to pick up my yarn, my stitches with this design. Okay, so I actually really love working with these. They're not uncomfortable to hold, which was what I thought might be an issue just because they're not round like I'm used to. So I was really excited to have a chance to play with these. I say play because when I'm knitting and crocheting, it's fun. For me, it's just so much fun. I enjoy it so much, or I wouldn't be doing this. So it's not work, it's play. So with Knitter's Pride's sets, all the cords work with all of their interchangeable sets. Okay, so you just twist it on, grab the key, insert it into the little hole right there, just so you can hold on to it and tighten it. Okay. Okay. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos.